What's up guys, Aurel here for YugaTech, and you probably already saw our unboxing video of the Realme 5 Pro. So now, let's check out the non-Pro version. Let's unbox this thing. Opening up the box, we have the usual smaller box which contains your paperwork and jelly case. Under that, we have the charger and the micro USB cable. Focusing on the unit itself, we have it in this crystal purple color, but it is also available in crystal blue with the same stylish design. At the back, we have the quad camera setup, which you can also find the Realme branding here as well as a fingerprint scanner. At the bottom, we have the USB port, headphone jack, well at least we have that, a microphone for regular calls, and loudspeaker. Meanwhile, on the right side, we have the power button. On the left side, we have the volume rocker, and above that is a dual nano SIM card tray with a dedicated SD card slot up to 256 gigs. Checking out the screen, the Realme 5 has a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. On its notch area is its front-facing camera and call speaker. Powering this device is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 coupled with Adreno 610 GPU. The Realme 5 is available in 3 configurations: 3GB of RAM with 32GB of internal storage, 4GB of RAM plus 64GB or 128GB of internal storage. For software, it runs Android 9 Pie skin with ColorOS 6. Keeping this device running is a 5000 mAh battery that unfortunately doesn't have any kind of fast charging. Finally, for the cameras, at the back we have a 12MP main, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro lens, and 2MP depth sensor. In front, we have a 13MP camera for selfies. For now, check out these sample shots. The Realme 5 will be launching in the Philippines soon along with the Realme 5 Pro. We don't have any information on the local pricing and availability just yet, but for reference, in India, it's priced at 9,999 Indian rupees for 3GB of RAM plus 32GB of internal storage, 10,999 Indian rupees for 4GB of RAM plus 64GB storage variant, and 11,999 Indian rupees for 4GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal storage variant. Again, the Realme 5 series will be coming in the Philippines very soon, so stay tuned for that if you're interested, and also stay tuned for our full review. So, what do you guys think about the Realme 5? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Aurel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.